of designer, we have 5 minutes. Just sell your idea, sell your concept. Manufacturer will give one sticker. Each designer profile are allocated maximum 2 stickers. This is a very important platform for all the designers. At the same time, also giving a very good platform for the manufacturer to expose to the design world so that we are able to produce designer furnitures.
This year is very special because it is centered around the idea of compact living. The selection process and involves more tedious design input from the designers. So this will only create a better design for the overall timber industry.
Nice event to collaborate designers and manufacturers together. I'm able to work with a local manufacturer, start to build up a real thing from initial idea into a finalized item.
Lim from Bank. This is our second time of participation, getting a lot of inspiration of the design.
This year the DIP actually changed a bit of format, but it's invigorating kind of experience.
So we hope that this Timber DIP create more collaboration between the designer and the industry.